Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna with bread easy method. Drain a can of tuna and press out excess liquid, then combine with 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 teaspoon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a few cracks of black pepper. Stir in chopped celery or onion for crunch, spread evenly on 2 slices of bread, and toast or grill briefly until golden and warm to finish. Start by measuring your base ingredients so every sandwich tastes the same. Use roughly 2 tablespoons mayo and 1 teaspoon mustard per 5 ounces of tuna, and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice to brighten the flavor. Mix gently to keep some texture, then taste and adjust salt or pepper as needed. Finish with chopped herbs or a dash of hot sauce if you like a little kick. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing and prepping food more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for considering it. Now let's get back to the video. For serving, spread the tuna on toast and sprinkle paprika and chopped parsley to make it look and taste fresh. Try pairing the sandwich with crunchy pickles or a small green salad for contrast in texture and flavor. If taking it to work, pack the sandwich in an airtight container with an ice pack to keep it safe and chilled until lunchtime for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.